Hello everyone, this is Bijay sir here. So today we are going to start chapter 3, a very interesting chapter that is on quadrilateral. Okay, so let's proceed. Hello my dear students. So we are going to start chapter 3, quadrilateral. So before starting this chapter, you must know some terms. First one is what is polygon? Polygon means a polygon is a closed figure drawn in a plane made up of a finite number of line segment. Means if you draw a plane figure, that means which must be closed and which contain a finite number of line segment, this is called polygon. ठीक है सर, तो polygon का क्या है? A closed figure drawn in a plane made up of finite number of line segment. Say if you draw a figure, say this one is a polygon because this figure has finite number of line segment 1 2 3 4. It has 4 number of line segments, and this one is closed. This area is closed, this portion is closed, so this is a polygon. Now if you draw this one is also a polygon. This is called triangle, but in general we call this figure as polygon. This is a quadrilateral, but in general we call this as polygon, right? And if you draw another figure like this, then this is also a polygon. This contain 5 sides, 1 2 3 4 5. So these are all in common sense, these are all called polygons. ঠিক আছে, কিন্তু এই প্রতিটো পলিগনৰ আমি সেপারেট নাম দিব পাৰো. সে first one, this one is a polygon but this is a triangle. This one is a polygon, this is a quadrilateral. This one is a polygon, this is pentagon. ঠিক আছে, যেনেকে যদি 6 sides থাকে, if a polygon has 6 sides, then this is called hexagon. Similarly, if a polygon has 7 sides, this is called heptagon. If a polygon has 8 sides, then this is called octagon, right? So তেনেকে পেন্টাগন তোমালোকে নাম শুনিছা কি জানে? পেন্টাগন US আর্মির হেডকোয়ার্টার পেন্টাগন শুনিছা না? পেন্টাগন বহুত ফেমাস. পেন্টাগন হল সবতকে মানে মোস্ট পাওয়ারফুল এরিয়া অফ দ্য ওয়ার্ল্ড. পেন্টাগন US আর্মির হেডকোয়ার্টার, তার মানে 5টা যদি সাইড থাকে সেইটোক আমি পেন্টাগন বুলি কোৱা হয়. তেনেকৈ সব মানে এই গোটেইকেইটা যদি আমি প্লেন ফিগাৰ এটা ড্ৰ কৰোঁ আৰু যদি এইটো বাউণ্ডেড এৰিয়া থাকে, দেন দিছ আৰ অল কল পলিগনছ. ইন জেনেৰেল দিছ আৰ অল কল পলিগনছ. নাও উই শ্যাল ডিল উইথ কোৱাড্ৰিলেটাৰেল অনলি. Quadrilateral, I think you all know that what is called quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is a plane figure which is bounded by 4 straight lines, and this is also a closed figure. Say if you draw like this is a quadrilateral. This is a closed figure which has 4 boundary straight lines, which is bounded by 4 straight lines. This is a quadrilateral. Now you can name this quadrilateral like this: A, B, C, D. This is a quadrilateral, or you can write like this also: A, B, C, D. কিন্তু এটা কথা, this is very important, এটা কথা মনত ৰাখিব লাগিব যে আমি যেতিয়া এইটো নেমিং কৰিম নহয় A, B, C, D, তেতিয়া আমি কি কৰিব লাগিব? সিৰিয়ালি কৰিব লাগিব. You must write this all alphabet serially. First one is A, this one is B, this one is C, this one is D. But you cannot write like this: A, B and C, D. This will not do. If you write A, B and C, D, this will be wrong. You must write serially. So this is a figure what is called quadrilateral. We can name it like this: A, B, C, D. তো এতিয়া আৰু এটা কথা, তোমালোকৰ কিছুমান টাৰ্ম মই কৈছিলোঁ না আগত, ক্লিয়াৰ হ'ব লাগিব. So this is a quadrilateral. If you extend this line to this way, if you extend this line, say this line is extended to this way. If you extend this line to this way, then these 4 angles are interior angles, because these 4 angles are inside this quadrilateral, but these angles are outside the quadrilateral, so these are called external angle or exterior angle. If you extend this line to this way, this line is these angles, this angle, this angle, these are all exterior angle. You can write like this. This one is angle number 1, 2, then 3, then 4. This 1, 2, 3, 4 angles are interior angles, but this one, if you write like this, 5, 6, 7, 8, then 5, 6, 7, 8 are exterior angle. Clear? মানে যদি ডায়াগ্রামৰ বাহিৰত থাকে, যদি আমি এটা লাইন এক্সটেন্ড কৰিলে যেটো বাহিৰৰ যেটো এংগল মানে প্ৰডিউস হৈছে, that angle is called exterior angle. So 5, 6, 7, 8 are exterior angle, and 1, 2, 3, 4 are interior angles. Acha, now what is called diagonal? Diagonal means straight lines which join the opposite angles. Say this one is a quadrilateral. Now this angle and this angle, these two angles are opposite angle. If you join these two angles by a straight line, then this will be a diagonal. Similarly, if you join these two angles, then this will be a diagonal. So in this case we get two diagonals only. But in case of in case of this pentagon, there are more than two diagonals. So this is a pentagon because this has 5 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now if you join these two, you will get a diagonal. If you join these two, you will get a diagonal. Again, if you join these two, you will get a diagonal. So there are more than two diagonals, but in case of quadrilateral, there are two diagonals only. Clear? Now what are called adjacent angles and adjacent sides. Again, we are doing a quadrilateral. Now this is, say, ABCD. Now you see AB, side AB and side AD, both of these sides have a common vertex. So these two sides are called adjacent sides. Clear? In this case also, AD and CD, these two sides have common vertex. So these two are adjacent sides. And this BC and CD, both of these has this common vertex C. So these are adjacent sides. So adjacent sides means two sides which have a common vertex. This is called adjacent sides. These are called adjacent sides. And in case of angles also, if any two angles have a common side, then these two angles are called adjacent angles. Say angle A and angle D have common sides AD. So these two angles are called adjacent angles. Similarly, if you take this angle A and angle B, these two are also called adjacent angles because they have AB as common side. Similarly, B and C, angle B and C are adjacent angles because they have BC as common sides. Angle D and C are adjacent angles because they have CD as common sides. So these are called adjacent sides and adjacent angles. Now clear? Now we are going to next one. Now we are drawing a diagram like this. Here in this case, you see these two sides are equal, but these two sides are not equal. Means all sides are not equal. So but sometimes we see that in case of some figures, say in case of square, say this is a square. In case of square, all sides are equal, isn't it? All sides are equal and all angles are also equal. So square is such type of diagram or such type of figures are called regular. So these are called regular polygon. ठीक है sir? These are called regular polygon. If all sides are equal as well as all angles are equal, then this is called regular polygon. Similarly, a equilateral triangle. Here also all angles are equal and all sides are equal. In case of an equilateral triangle, say this one is an equilateral triangle. Here also all sides are, if all sides are equal and all angles are equal, then this is called regular polygon. Now what are called convex and concave polygons. Convex polygons means in a polygon, in a polygon, in any polygon, if all interior angles, if each of interior angle is less than 180 degree, less than 180 degree যদি হয়, then this is called convex polygon, convex, convex polygon. Yes sir, this angle is less than 180 degree, then this angle is less than 180 degree, this angle is less than 180 degree, this angle is less than 180 degree. If all angles are less than 180 degree, all interior angles are less than 180 degree, then this is called convex polygon. ঠিক আছে? But if any one of the interior angle is more than 180 degree, then this is called concave polygon. ঠিক আছে? If any one of interior angle is more than 180 degree, then this is called concave polygon. Say this in case of this figure, this one is less than 180 degree, 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 but this angle is greater than 180 degree, so this is called concave polygon. This is called concave polygon. If at least one angle is greater than 180 degree, then this is called concave polygon. Now we are going to next video.